Hi guys, I'm going to show you this Minolta 404SI Dynax camera that I have. This is the front, one side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. Made in Malaysia, whoa! And this is the back. Okay, so let's open. This is inside here. Right. I'm gonna put in the batteries. Yeah, this one very weird. This one needs a coin. Where's my coin? I need to find. Okay. Plus is up. I need to secure it using a coin. Okay, now I put in the batteries ready, so I can turn it on. So it fires, but I think this one is mainly program mode, it seems, so can't really adjust the shutter speed. So like you can see the shutter works. Okay, yeah, the thing is that it works, but cannot control the shutter speed because there's no manual mode lah, so that's the reason why. Yeah, so there you go, this Minolta 404SI Dynax camera. If you like this camera, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. The good thing about this camera is that there's no sticky on the handle here lah, so shows that Minolta or Sony Sony. I don't know like the time Sony bought Minolta or not, but it shows that they use a good material lah. It can last the ages. So yeah, if you like this camera, let me know that I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, it would really help. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.